Badminton might look like a simple backyard game with a racket and a shuttle, but behind those fast swings and quick jumps lies one of the most effective full-body workouts you can do, without needing a gym, heavy equipment, or hours of training. This sport improves your stamina, strengthens your heart, sharpens your mind, and even boosts your immunity. And the best part? Badminton is fun, social, and suitable for almost every age. Today we're breaking down 20 powerful health benefits of playing badminton and why it's one of the easiest ways to stay fit for life. Before we jump in, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest science-backed fitness videos. Let's begin. 20 health benefits of playing badminton. 20. Amazing for weight loss. Badminton burns anywhere between 300 to 450 calories per hour. All that running, swinging, and jumping increases your heart rate and melts fat rapidly. People who play regularly often see reduced belly fat, improved metabolism, toned muscles. It's cardio but fun. 19. Strengthens your heart. Badminton gets your heart pumping in a healthy, natural way. It improves blood circulation, heart muscle strength, oxygen efficiency. Regular play lowers your risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. 18. Improves lung function. Badminton involves constant movement and rapid breathing. This strengthens your lungs, increases lung capacity, and improves oxygen flow throughout the body. Great for people with mild respiratory issues with doctor approval. 17. Builds strong muscles. Don't underestimate the sport. It engages your legs, calves, quads, hamstrings, your core, abs, and back muscles, your arms, shoulders, biceps, forearms. Every smash or sprint is a mini strength workout. 16. Enhances bone density. Just like brisk walking or tennis, badminton is a weight-bearing activity. This helps increase bone mass and reduces the risk of osteoporosis, fractures, age-related bone loss. Perfect for teens, adults, and seniors. 15. Boosts immune system. Sweating out toxins, improving blood circulation, and reducing stress all help your immunity. Regular badminton players often get fewer seasonal infections, faster recovery, better overall health. Your immune system thrives when your body stays active. 14. Improves body coordination. Badminton requires quick footwork, precise hand-eye coordination, perfect timing. This sharpens motor skills and makes your reflexes much faster, useful for daily life too. 13. Enhances flexibility. All the stretching, bending, reaching, and lunging opens up tight muscles and joints. This improves flexibility, mobility, joint health. Your body becomes more agile and less prone to stiffness. 12. Reduces stress and anxiety. When you play badminton, your brain releases endorphins, dopamine, serotonin. These mood-boosting chemicals lower stress levels, reduce anxiety, and even fight depression. It's mental therapy disguised as a sport. 11. Strengthens the core. Every jump, twist, and smash uses your abdominal muscles. Playing regularly naturally tightens and tones the core. Better posture, fewer back problems, stronger spine. 10. Improves balance and stability. Badminton players constantly shift their weight. This helps your body learn to stabilize itself quickly. Great for seniors to prevent falls. Great for kids to improve athletic performance. 9. Keeps blood sugar under control. Badminton helps your muscles use glucose more effectively. It reduces insulin resistance and keeps blood sugar levels stable, a safe form of exercise for diabetics, with medical advice. 8. Enhances focus and concentration. You must anticipate your opponent's moves and react fast. This trains your brain to stay alert, think quickly, make fast decisions. A sharper brain, better performance at school, work, and life. 7. Improves mental resilience. Competitive sports teach you patience, discipline, and emotional control. Badminton especially teaches you how to stay calm, how to recover from mistakes, how to strategize under pressure. This builds strong mental resilience. 6. Better sleep quality. After a good session of badminton, your body naturally relaxes. Your sleep becomes deeper, longer, more restful. Good sleep equals better mood, plus improved immunity. 5. Strengthens the back. Badminton movements strengthen the supportive muscles around your spine. It helps reduce chronic back pain, correct posture, prevent injuries. especially helpful for office workers who sit all day. 4. Great for social health. Badminton is usually played in pairs or groups. You socialize, laugh, connect, and build friendships. Human connection improves mental health more than we realize. 3. Boosts self-confidence. Learning new skills, improving your game, and seeing physical transformation boosts self-esteem. Badminton teaches you consistency, growth. Personal achievement and confidence grows with every game. 2. Low injury risk. Compared to other sports, badminton has fewer collisions, less impact on joints, minimal risk of serious injury. It's safe for kids, adults, and older people alike. 1. Fun plus fitness equals long-term health. The best exercise is one you can stick to. Badminton is fun, engaging, and addictive in the best way. This makes it easy to stay active for years without losing motivation. It's fitness that never feels like work. Before we wrap up, here are a few powerful bonus tips to help you maximize the health benefits of badminton, whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned player. Bonus. Tip 1. Warm up the right way. Most injuries happen because players jump straight into the game. Spend 5 to 7 minutes warming up. Light jogging, arm circles, gentle lunges, wrist and ankle rotations. This prepares your joints and muscles for sudden movements, boosts performance, and keeps you injury-free. Bonus tip 2. Use the correct grip. Many beginners unknowingly hold the racket too tight or in the wrong position. A proper grip increases your swing power, reduces wrist strain, improves shot accuracy. If you're unsure, search for basic forehand and backhand grip tutorials. You'll improve instantly. Bonus tip 3. Focus on footwork, not just arm strength. Badminton is a legs-first sport. Good footwork helps you reach the shuttle faster, hit more accurately, save energy during long rallies. Practice simple drills like sidestepping, front-back shuffles, and split steps. Great footwork equals great game. Bonus tip 4. Choose the right shuttle and racket. You don't need expensive equipment, just the right one for your level. Beginners. Use durable nylon shuttles. Intermediate players, try feather shuttles for better control. Pick a lightweight racket to avoid shoulder strain. The right gear makes the game smoother and more enjoyable. Bonus tip 5. Stay hydrated. Badminton can make you sweat a lot, even during casual play. Drink water before, during, and after the game to avoid fatigue and muscle cramps. Badminton isn't just a sport. It's a full-body workout, a mental therapy session, and a happiness booster all in one. Whether you're trying to lose weight, reduce stress, build strength, or simply stay active, badminton is one of the easiest ways to maintain lifelong health. Do you play badminton? If yes, singles or doubles, share your answer in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss more health, fitness, and science-based videos. See you in the next one.